Hi friends, welcome to Turbo Maths channel. Can you solve this question? 5 divided by 2 divided by 5 then divided by 2. What is the answer of this question? In the wrong way of solving this question, some people solve this question like this. They say 5 divided by 2 equals 5 over 2. 5 over 2 divided by 5 divided by 2 which equals 5 over 2, and they say the final answer of this question equals 1. But this answer is definitely wrong. Let's solve this question step by step together. Because we have 3 divisions, we start from the left and simplify the question. 5 divided by 2 equals 5 over 2. Now the question is 5 over 2 divided by 5 then divided by 2. To solve first part, we need to follow the KCF rule. In this rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We keep the first fraction as it is. After that, we change the division sign to the multiplication sign, and after that, we flip the second number. Now we have 5 over 2 times 1 over 5 divided by 2. First, we simplify this part. We have 1 over 2 divided by 2. Again, to solve this part, we need to follow the KCF rule. We have a fraction that divided by a number. We keep the first fraction as it is. After that, we change the division sign to the multiplication sign, and after that, we flip the second number. Now we have 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 which equals 1 over 4. The final answer of this question equals 1 over 4. To see more math videos, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.